Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO 10e Chromebook, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser, so the Google Chrome. Let's tap on it, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. Now let's tap on the history right here. Okay, of course. Oh, no, I don't want I did not want it to do that. Okay, got it, whatever. And as you can see right here, we've got the a list of previously visited websites. And of course, you could try to remove it manually one by one just by marking a specific app and then tap on delete, tap on remove. Of course, you can do it. However, if your list is really long, then it is not really efficient to do that manually. So let's simply tap on clear browsing data. Oh my god, no. Here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. Let me mark it because I want to remove it also. And in advanced, we've got also hosted app data, site settings, autofill from data, passwords, and that's all. All right, so mark everything you want to remove. I will remove everything, as you can see. We can change the time range also from all time to, for example, last 7 days or 24 hours. It's up to you. So let's tap on clear data. And basically that will be all, because right now the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully get rid of it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.